little update. This is probably, well, fingers crossed, hopefully the last time that I go to Lowe's. I got a tower fan and a trash can and some chains and some citronella candles and just the last little bits and pieces of things that I needed to make sure that the glampsite is absolutely complete and ready for someone to stay. Because next weekend, today's Saturday, next weekend I actually have, we did a giveaway, well, charity. We gave away free, well, we're giving it away. They purchased for the charity, 2-night stay. So next Friday and Saturday night, we'll actually have our first guest at the glampsite. The glampsite is live on Airbnb. We do have some bookings already, but this first person that's staying out there just happens to be a charity. So that's pretty cool. We gave a giveaway to Kisses for Kate, which is like a cancer charity here locally in Greensboro and Guilford County and the surrounding Piedmont Triad area. So yeah, just wanted to give a little update. I'll update you guys on what I'm doing there today, and hopefully I'll have everything finished. I know that I'm gonna have to go out there again tomorrow because the wash basin sink that I have for the outdoor kitchen doesn't arrive today until like 1 o'clock, but I have some stuff I want to do out there, so I'm gonna go out there and do it, and then I'll just drive back out there again tomorrow and finish it all up. Okay, so I'm proud of myself. Well, it wasn't that hard, but anywho, I have now working shower. Check this out. Alrighty, so you know, we got the water coming down through there. There's a filtration system right there to filter out the water, make it nice and clean. I wouldn't drink it, but it'd be clean enough to take a shower. And what I did was, I got a little pump here that I hooked up. Right here, I'm gonna put a little slant roof on over top of this, like a little piece of tin, just to keep the rain from coming down on it hard. And then I'm gonna loop all this up, or I'll probably just shorten all this, because it doesn't need to be that long. It only needs to go from here to there. And then I plumbed it in here, right? I had to get a fitting there, and I had to get a fitting here. And then I wired it up. I'm gonna waterproof that. And then I got like a tractor battery, and I put it in there with a inline 7.5 amp fuse and a power switch. So now to start the shower, you flick the switch on. And of course, all of this will stay dry. It's in this box. And then the little diaphragm pump starts working. It pumps up into this little reservoir here. It heats up if you want it hot. There's batteries going here, and you can control the temperature. I have to hook up a gas line down here, and then however much water you want, minimum or maximum. And voila, we've got ourselves a shower out in the middle of nowhere. It's nice and cool right now, and there's air lines in the water, so it does that. After it gets all the air lines out, it'll stop doing that. But yeah, you can control this. You can change the type of shower you want coming on you, and you can even stop the water like this, right? The pump won't like that, but you can stop the water. Take a shower. I have a shower curtain that's gonna go in here. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. But yeah, that's the coolest thing I've ever made outside, was a shower in the woods from a rain catch barrel. So I'm proud of myself. That pump says you can run it continuously for 30 minutes, and it pumps like, I think it said 1.7 gallons a minute. Yeah, 6.5 liters a minute. The pressure 0.9, whatever. I got a 7.5 amp fuse, 12 volt battery, power rated for 80 watts. So this should run a long time on that battery I have down there. But yeah, cool, right? Pretty neat. I'm excited about it. Hope you will be excited to be able to take a shower outside after you go for a hike, or go swimming in the reservoir, or get dirty in the woods. You can go in this here shower house and make stuff clean. We have this awesome, cool, let me turn this around so you can actually, outdoor kitchen with a wood and charcoal burning grill. So this grill's cool, man. It's got a tinder box in the bottom. You can load logs in there. It's got a smokestack, so you can control the amount of smoke that you got coming in and out. It's got vents down in the side to get air sucked up through there. And you can also change the level of your coals, so you can control the heat that's coming to your food. And this kitchen right here, so this is glamping, even comes equipped with a paper towel roll. Right? Gotta have your paper towels. We've got our Camp Chef stove right here. Let's see if I can get it lit. There it goes. 2 burner. Takes a bit to light these, but they light. 2 burner stove top and oven. You got your Pit Boss dual heat flat top, so you can chef it up. And your Carrot Tuck by Camco ice double thick wall cooler, holds ice for 10 days, 50 quarts. So you put your ice in here, put your cold food down in there that you want frozen or cold as you want it, and then like your lettuce and stuff, cheese can go in this tray right here. You can take this tray out. There's dividers for this too. I didn't get those, maybe in the future I will. It's supposed to be bear proof, right? So bears aren't supposed to be able to figure out how to get into this. They definitely can't get it up because it's screwed into the deck. The oven is chained to the deck back there, and the grill is chained to the tree. These both have little 1 pound propane tanks on them. I think I may eventually in the future get a 25 pound one and put it down there and just run both of them up to it, which I think that's the better option. But for right now, we're just going with these little 1 pounders. The tent is done. Everything in the tent just needs to be straightened up. It's done. I do have a wash basin, like a galvanized wash tub on a stand that's going to go right here, and I'm going to hang from the ceiling here like a 5-gallon Coleman cooler and hang up above this wash basin, so that'll be like your sink. I don't know how I'm going to fill that thing up, but it'll be there for you to wash your dishes and stuff. And there'll be a bucket underneath with a catch, so catch all the debris. The bucket of water you just throw out there, and then debris you just throw into the trash can. Which, speaking of trash cans, I got one. I am going to clean all this stuff up tomorrow. I have to come back out here tomorrow. I did get a tower fan to go up in the tent, which is cool. I got this galvanized trash can I'm going to put up on a tree over there. I'm going to put a latch on the lid so you can't get it opened. I mean, you can open it, just so like raccoons and possums and whatever other critters are out here can't get it open, because your trash should go over there by your vehicle. You should not keep any food or anything over here in around the tent, except for over there in that cooler, because that cooler's locked, because you don't want critters out here. I did get a spotlight for the outhouse, so that shines right up on the outhouse here. And then let's go see the driveway. The driveway's done. My neighbor, he was nice enough to come over here on his tractor and leveled everything out for me, which would have taken me like a day by myself. He did it in about an hour with his tractor. So let me turn this back around. So now we have my truck is really long, but like a regular sized car, if it was parked here, would go to about right there. And you could put 2 right here, and then you could pull 1 here, or you can just pull 2 in this way and just have extra space over there. Or you could put 3 side by side. But yeah, so we got our little Uwari gnome. I don't know his name yet. If you guys want to name him, go ahead. But yeah, he leveled all this out. Pulled it all out with his grader and the bucket on the front of his tractor. And now, oh yeah, we have blackberry bushes over there. So when they're in season, you can go eat blackberries for free. There's even one right there. But yeah, here's the driveway. It was 10 and now it's 13 foot wide. Plenty wide enough. So you can park a car there, car there, car there, or 2 cars that way and maybe 2 cars this way. But there's plenty of parking. Security cameras up there so I can see who comes in and out. I cannot see anything over here because these leaves block the view, so it's still private over there. I can make out like the top of the tent, and I can see who walks like right here at the entrance of the trail, and I can see the top of that, but that's all that I can see from that security camera because I want to see who's coming in and out of the property, but I don't want to see what's going on or getting in anybody's privacy. So the plan today was to put up the shower curtain in the shower house, but all I got done was the water pump for the shower house, hanging up that towel rack, and that's about it. That's about it. I had to run to the local hardware store to get a fitting because the one that I had didn't work. Luckily, there's a hardware store like 10 minutes from here. Hardware store, there's a Dollar General, and then there's a Family Dollar Tree store, and there's a Baden Lake family restaurant, and then there's a cool place called Scallywags, which is on the lake. All of that's 10-15 minutes away, less than 15 minutes, like 11 minutes to Scallywags, and it's like 8 to the hardware store and everything. So all that's really close. Now tomorrow I'm just going to bring that sink out here, and then I'm just going to clean all of this up and be ready to go for our first client. Guest. We'll host our first guest next weekend.